In this video, you're going to learn 5 powerful AI agents that's literally going to save you 10 hours every single week in free time, working smarter, not harder. I'm going to show you how to turn transcripts into workbooks for extracting insights, creating infographics for visual content, presentations for decks that don't suck, sales dashboards that turn data into decisions with the click of a button, and Excel automations for getting your time back. First thing is Genspark's AI agent for creating documents saves me a ton of time. I don't have to write documents, no Microsoft Word, no Google Docs. I'm never touching documents ever again. I didn't even do it in 2025. This is how you turn transcripts into beautiful step-by-step documents. So today I taught a class on vibe coding, and this took the entire transcript and created this beautiful step-by-step document that has every detail that I said during the training, nicely organized with additional context and all of the resources so that beginners can use these types of workbooks to revisit the material. And this works great for courses, workbooks, PDF guides, lead magnets, even for your own education and learning. This is how you create this. Go to any meeting note transcriber, go to transcript, and copy the entire transcript. Inside Genspark, you could turn that transcript into a workbook by just going to any super agent. Go ahead and paste this prompt that basically just says to create a comprehensive workbook from the transcript. Go ahead and paste the transcript and click submit. After about 5 minutes, he'll automatically create this beautiful document that's nicely organized, which you could download, and you can save the file by clicking download and saving it as a Word document or a PDF document. So you never have to create documents ever again. Next, you could create infographics using NanoBanana Pro inside of Genspark. So this is a beautiful infographic that I was taken from just a PDF document from Strategy. That way you can visualize your documents, your notes, into beautiful infographics with the click of a button. Here's the prompt to create that infographic. Just go ahead and paste whatever conversation or information above. You could be chatting with conversation, upload a document, upload a file, and just say use NanoBanana to illustrate this file image document. And then he's going to use NanoBanana Pro to generate the prompt and the image ready for you to download. And look at this huge prompt that he wrote. I didn't write this prompt. He wrote this entire prompt to create this infographic. So using Genspark or AI to write the prompts is also such a hack. This is another example of an infographic used in a YouTube video to visualize the concepts that we were teaching in a YouTube video. We were doing a content automation app, and we want to visualize what is the pain of doing content manually versus now with this AI automation. Now, instead of spending thousands of dollars on videos, now you can pump out videos every 10 minutes using AI. So we wanted to visualize this using NanoBanana. This is where infographics are really powerful. And we're using NanoBanana Pro, so look at the text, how it's all perfect. Now, the text won't always be perfect every single time. Just take your image, put it into Canva, and you can magic erase or use the text, the magic text grab to basically edit any of the text, and it will keep the same font and style as well too. The next example is using NanoBanana Pro inside Genspark to create beautiful presentations. This is way better than Genspark slides built in, where it's just a bunch of text. This will create beautiful slides for whatever program, for video sales letters, for webinars, for content. So the trick is having Genspark create the prompts for all the images so it keeps the branding and consistency. And then it automatically batch creates all of the image files at the same time and generates these beautiful graphics. These presentations you simply can't do in Canva, you can't do it in Google Slides. And the inspiration for this actually came from NanoBanana Pro. And the prompts simply have a conversation with Genspark about you could upload a file, a document, you could have a conversation, have it do some research, and then when you're ready to turn it into a presentation, just add the prompt, create the slides using NanoBanana, and then it's going to batch create the prompts and the image all at once. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna burn a ton of credits, but this is the fastest way to get a presentation out that looks beautiful in your brand colors, the way you want it. Now, not all the images are gonna be perfect. You are gonna have to regenerate some of these. As you can see, some of these are the old versions. You're gonna take these images, put them in Canva, and then from Canva, you can basically do magic edit. You could erase icons, you could change text, do all your tweaks in Canva. Just get 80% good enough in Genspark using this, and this is the fastest way that I'm creating all my presentations. Infographics like this in your presentation, you just can't do this with Gamma or the slides. That's why using NanoBanana Pro inside of Genspark to create your presentations, your pitch decks, this outputs a whole nother level of quality that sets you apart from the competition. Next, you can use Genspark to build custom sales dashboards for your business, or if you ever want to visualize any data, and then you can make it a template so that you can just upload new data. So this is going to upload chocolate sales for a fictitious chocolate company. Once it loads, done. It's now analyzed. That was just a CSV file of sales data. It did the total sum, how many boxes were shipped, total orders, best month was January, and then it gives us using AI, using insights. Oh, top performer was this product. Why? Opportunity growth. This was all just with the click of a button. And now we're going to get this whole dashboard customized the way we want, all vibe coded using Genspark to visualize sales data. Do you know how much time it would take to build out a custom dashboard from scratch, which is also a nightmare because everyone has different software and most of the data is like stuck in like data silos. Look, it's all interactive. You could click on anything. Here's all the data. You can filter by countries. You can build custom dashboards so you can drill into your data. All of this was vibe coded in one shot using Genspark to visualize data using dashboards. Very powerful. The prompt to create your own dashboard, this is it. Simply upload a CSV or an Excel file and say, I want you to break down the attached CSV or Excel file into a sales dashboard, and then list out all the things that you want. All dashboards, you're just trying to answer questions. So let's list out all the things that you want, get a version 1 out, and now he pumps this out that then you can just refresh, load new data, and it would do the analysis instantly. To take this a step farther, I would brand this in my brand colors and then download the code and then host this on my website. So it has my website professionally branded. Clients love this. And showing this to clients puts you on a whole nother level, especially as an AI consultant. And last but not least, Excel. You never have to work in Excel again. Thanks to Genspark, Genspark has AI sheets inside of it. So you have an AI agent that will manage and do all the custom formulas, pivot tables, dashboards for whatever data. All I did was give the same CSV file, the sales data, into Genspark AI Sheets and just say, turn this into a sales dashboard so I can see the best performance across all the categories, visualize the data, and then that's it. So he went through, crunched the data, filled out this whole dashboard, which we can go into full screen mode, and he broke down everything so nicely. Now, if I want this on Excel and do some custom formulas, but let's be honest, the dashboard looks so nice, right? Compared to this. But look, you never have to write another complicated Excel formula ever again. Genspark's going to do all of that for you. Think of how much time that's going to save you. And those are the 5 superpowers that you can do inside Genspark: infographics, presentations, sales dashboards, Excel automations, but we're barely scratching the surface of what's possible in Genspark. If you want to see how business owners are actually making money with Genspark, how coaches and consultants are delivering more value, join the AI community, link down below. We have templates. We have weekly workshops on Genspark every single month, so you're up to date on the newest releases. Plus, see business use cases of how business owners are using Genspark to work smarter, to get more leads and close high-ticket sales with clients. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.